I'm Alex Penfold, the founder of Jaxon Lane, talking about the Bromask eye gels today. So one of the first things to age are your eyes. You get those crow's feet showing and you start to show concern. Another problem that I was having in the morning was just general puffiness of my eyes and looking for a quick way to bring down the puffiness. We created the eye gels. They're made of a hydrogel material. And so you can put them in the fridge for a few minutes beforehand and you just put them on your eyes and they really bring down all that puffiness that you might see from having a good night's sleep. It's just a really quick way to bring down the puffiness of your eyes. And if you wear them long term, there's all these kinds of great ingredients in there that help with anti-aging and will decrease the appearance of those fine lines over time. Some of the hero ingredients we have in this product are niacinamide, caffeine, collagen, peptides, green tea, and ginger. But one of my favorite ingredients is Bakuchiol, because this is a natural alternative to retinol, which helps with anti-aging over time. If you want to buy this product, click the link below.